everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you another CamDuck model. This is the CamduckX. So this is their logo, so you know it's right. This is the same logo that is through the app. So when I open the box here, you have the instruction manual. You have the CamduckX. These are two USB 2.0 ports. It's got a USB-C port and it has 4 plugs, so technically this is a camera power strip. So when I pull this out, here's what you get. You get an SD card reader. You get the help opening up the memory card slot, which is right here. And you get a screw. The screw goes on here like this, right here, right where my finger is. And then the screw goes in there and you can bolt it to the wall. So I am going to power this on, and we are going to see here. But before I do that, alright, we are going to power it on. Just like this. Right? So we have a blue light and a red light. I do not have a memory card in here. So what I'm going to do is open this up, and if you have a previous model you could also use that, but I'm going to use that for this. So then what you do is you go in here like this, open it up, and right here is the memory card slot. On the other one it was behind the plug. This one it's up front. So let me grab my SD card, and I am going to put that in just like this. Other way. There we go. Now what I do is I take this cover and I put it back on just like that. So now what I'm going to do, so I'm going to lay it against something here so we can see what's going on. So now what I got to do is grab my phone, and what'll happen is I'm going to connect it. Okay, so just like the last time, I'm going to follow the instructions. And this card is actually a little bit easier to use than the other one was. But I'm going to do it step-by-step instructions so that way you can understand that. I already have the CamDuck app. I kept it on there, so it's the same app for all the camera models. So I'm going to log into that, and we are going to see here what's going on. Alright, so this is the app, and I showed it on the previous video, so you click start, and this is from my the T model of the CamDuck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the instructions here because it's a different model camera. All right. So I inserted that. So, and this also only supports, it says it in big red letters, it only supports 2G. Okay. So, we're going to go to device. Actually, right, so I downloaded that. Okay, so we're going to open it up, so it's open. There we go. So I'm going to do a remote monitor setting. The reason it didn't work the last time is I actually had a networking problem. So you have two options. You have remote monitor setting and close range monitor setting. So I'm going to do remote monitor setting. I have to connect my phone to Wi-Fi, which I will do now. Go back in. There we go. Remote monitor. Okay, so see it says CamduckX right here. So we're going to push that. And it has my network Wi-Fi password ready to go. So I'm going to click OK. All right, so disconnected. Plug it back in. Okay, we're going to go back. We're only going to do we'll do peer-to-peer on this one now. Okay. All right. So now I got to go to another network. My network has issues, always has issues. So let's see, we're going to do this. I'm going to connect to my family's network here. Yes, I have permission to do that. All right, there we go. So I connected to a different network. All right, it's giving me the same stuff. Plug it in again. All right, so it worked. So now what I got to do is I got to connect to the camera itself. And this is the default password to the camera, which is CamDog66. So now if I have this set up right, so I set that up right. All right, so CamDuck should be showing up. Ah, here it is. Right here it says CamDuck. There we go. The password is CamDog66. And now you push join. So now I click here to return to the app. It's now connecting the device. Alright, I'm connected. Even though it says no internet connection, but I'm still connected because it powered off on me. We'll go back through it. We'll go back to the app. There we go. You can see me now. I'm waving to the camera. That's me wearing the microphone. There we go. The instruction booklet. And this is live. So this works really, really quite well. And it has the general time. It has the date. This is backwards since I'm in the US. It's 2023-09-25. Yes, it is the 25th. So that is correct. And it is Monday. And it's displaying military time. So that's the back of my phone. There we go. And now I'm going to get out of it. And there we go. So it is working. So just to do an overview here, you have, this is actually really, really well built because this, you could put your phone on an angle like this, and as long as it's attached to the wall, it won't fall off. You have two USB ports, so you can charge anything, and if you have a charger, you can use the plugs and it will work. So I'm going to take my computer case fan here that I had made, and I'm going to plug it in to the plug here, just like this, and it's working. So these plugs do work. And there you have it. So this is the CamduckX. I like the way this is constructed. As someone who does work in the manufacturing industry, I actually work with plastic as well. This is some good sturdy plastic. Kind of, it's cleanly made, so whoever made the mold did it very cleanly. This works quite well, and I do recommend this type to anybody because you can use it for anything technically. So, you're basically turning a 2 plug into a 4 plug and a charging. So this would be good for like a kitchen area where everybody drops their phone off and stuff like that, and then you can charge it and all that. So basically, it's a power strip camera. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click that bell for more notifications.